Cabinet has offered.
Kaseng Congress henin kasngi kalabu Jingu George sya ulampang ke yang darbar tauan ke jela u Thomas E Sangma ban Pynduh no i ke Jinglong MLA Jong Ngut ki MLA ke Congress ki ba la Kyntiap Seng no kata uba Gabriel Walang uba Charles Marngar u Dr Celestine Lengdo bat uba Ronnie V Lengdo ya kani ke Jing Mudoi lawan ban ujor da u secretary ka MPCC uba Manuel Badwar bat lapdiang yaka da u commissioner and secretary ka Mekalia Legislative Assembly u Andrew Simons Kaseng Congress kalaong bagani ke Jing Kyntiap Seng jengki ka pentlot ya ke Jing sensyar pajba bat kila dawa badai banle AA no iki mardor.
But we're fighting this because we believe that the law of the land should prevail. Yeah, so we're filing it, and now since Ronnie, who was the previous petitioner of that case, had left us again, so we thought like it would make sense to refile the entire thing again. So because it's a cascading effect, right? So you have one MLA who left, and second, and third, and fourth. So it makes sense for us to file because we believe that democracy is at risk. And secular, whatever practice that they're doing is definitely against the constitution of the country.
U Menteri ke Sarkar uba Kermen Shela ulaong badai ban